हेलो दोस्तों, राम सर एकेडमी ऑफ मैथ्स में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ अ कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर। दिस इज वन ऑफ द इम्पोर्टेंट कॉन्सेप्ट फॉर सॉल्विंग दोज क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन whose answers we are getting a complex number. मतलब whenever we are finding answer of b square minus 4ac and we are getting a negative number, then how to solve that type of quadratic equation. So for that, this concept very much important. So before starting with this, you have to keep in mind a simple basic concept, and that is whenever we are finding square root of a real number, always we get real number. Similarly, whenever we will find out square root of a complex number, we always get a complex number. So ये याद रखना है, then easily we can find out answer of square root of any complex number. So let's start with the first question. Find the square root of a following complex number, and the complex number which is given to us is -8 -6 है. ये गिवन कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर का हमें स्क्वायर रूट फाइंड करना है. सो एज वी डिस्कस, स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ एनी कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर is always a complex number. So therefore square root of -8 -6i will be, we are assuming, as a plus ib, which is a standard form of any complex number. So our ultimate aim is to find out value of a and b. As soon as we get value of a and b, we get square root of given complex number. So now the first step, remove square root sign. For that we have to do square on both sides. So when we do squaring on both sides, gives you -8 -6i is equal to a plus ib the whole square. So left hand side में तो कुछ change नहीं करना है. Right hand side में we will apply formula of a plus b the whole square, which is a square plus 2ab multiplied by plus b का square, but instead of that we have ib the whole square. So next step, what we write, we'll write down a square plus 2ab into I as it is, and I ka square is -1 and b ka square is b square. Now on left we have -8 -6i. तो हम राइट हैंड साइड में भी रियल टर्म को साथ में लिख लेते हैं, एंड द रियल टर्म्स आर a square minus b square, and imaginary term is 2ab into I. So this is what the real term compare with real term, and imaginary term compare with imaginary term, which already discussed in a equality of complex number. That gives you a square minus b square is equal to -8. We can mark this as equation number 1. Similarly, 2abi when we compare with -6i, तो I तो cancel हो जाएगा, and that gives you ab is equal to -6. So in next step we can write down ab is equal to -3 by dividing both side by 2. Now for finding answer of a and b, we can write down b is equal to -3 upon a, type of substitution we do. So this will mark it as equation number 2. Now when we solve equation number 1 and equation number 2, we will get value of a and b. So we'll write down from equation number 1 and 2. What we can write down from 1 and 2, we can write down, sorry, it's not 1 and 3, it's 1 and 2. So we will write down from equation number 1 and 2, we can write down a square minus, instead of b we will write down -3 upon a the whole square, which is equal to -8. So next step, a square as it is minus -3 का square is 9 whole divided by a square, which is equal to -8. So divide में जो a square है वो हटाने के लिए what we do, we multiply throughout by a square. That gives you a raised to 4 minus 9 is equal to -8a the whole square. Now shift that -8 on left hand side, that gives you a raised to 4 plus 8a square minus 9 is equal to 0. This is not a quadratic equation, but in that format. So for solving this, we'll prefer splitting the middle term to get our answer of a and b. So let's simplify further. That gives you a raised to 4. Now from 9 we have to find two number whose subtraction is 8. So we get answer as 9 ones are. So we'll write down 9a square minus 1a square minus 9 is equal to 0. So here we use splitting the middle term. Now we take a square common from first two term, that gives you in bracket a square plus 9. Similarly, we'll take minus 1 common from third and fourth term, that gives you a square plus 9 is equal to 0. So in next step we will take a square plus 9 common, which is present in both the terms, and in another bracket we will get a square minus 1 is equal to 0. So next step we can write down a square plus 9 is equal to 0, or a square minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore we are getting a square is equal to minus 9, or we are getting a square is equal to 1. So as we discussed, in a standard form of any complex number a plus ib, a and b both are real numbers. So we will write down a belongs to real number. Therefore a cannot be equal to minus 9. Therefore a square has to be equal to 1. So from this we can find out value of a as plus minus 1. Now we'll substitute this value in equation number 2 to find out value of b. So we will write on when a is equal to plus 1 and we substitute this value in equation number 1, so we'll get b is equal to minus 3 upon a, जिसमें a का वैल्यू हम 1 रखेंगे. So we'll write on minus 3 upon 1 which is equal to minus 3, and this we are getting from equation number 2 जिसमें हमने ये वैल्यू अपडेट किया है. So अब a मिल गया, b मिल गया, so we can write on a plus ib is equal to a का वैल्यू 1, b का वैल्यू is minus 3, साथ में I. This is answer of a plus ib. Similarly, now one more answer possible. When a is equal to minus 1, then we update again b का value, we get minus 3 upon a, which is minus 3 upon minus 1, which gives you answer as 3. Again you are getting this from equation number 2. A or b मिल गया, so here also we can write on a plus ib is equal to, answer is minus 1 plus 3i. So this is what the first answer. If you take minus sign common from this minus 1 plus 3i, so this become 1 minus 3i, which is same as this answer, but this one is positive and this one is negative. So combinedly we can write an answer of a plus ib is equal to plus, which we are getting from case 1, minus, which we are getting from case 2, and in bracket both the answers are same, which is 1 minus 3i. But a plus ib we assumed for under root of minus 8 minus 6i. So answer of under root of minus 8 minus 6i is plus minus under root of 1 minus, plus minus in bracket, not in under root, my mistake. So plus minus 1 minus 3i. This is what the answer of square root of given complex number. So थोड़ा लेंदी है, but it's a important concept, easily आप solve कर सकते हैं. Let's understand one more question to simplify, to clear all the doubt. Let's discuss the next one more question where we are finding square root of a complex number. The complex number which is given to us is 2 into 1 minus root 3i. So this same complex number can be written as, by multiplying 2 inside, we get 2 minus 2 root 3i. अब ये complex number का हमें square root find करना है. So let we assume, let square root of this complex number 2 minus 2 root 3i will be a plus ib. So our ultimate aim is to find out value of a and b. So as we know, the first step is remove square root sign by doing squaring on both sides. That gives you 2 minus 2 root 3 multiplied by I is equal to, right side में हम लोग को मिलेगा a plus ib the whole square. So next step, writing this 2 minus 2 root 3 as it is and apply formula of a plus b the whole square. That gives you a square plus 2ab multiplied by I माइनस बी स्क्वायर, क्योंकि b के साथ आई बी है तो i का स्क्वायर -1 होता है. So in next step, on left hand side already real term and complex terms are already separated. So right hand side maybe we are writing all real term together in a bracket and imaginary term together, which is 2ab. So now this is equality of two complex number. We are comparing, so we get a square minus b square is equal to 2, which we mark as equation number 1. Similarly, we can find out answer of 2ab is equal to minus 2 root 3. So 2 to cancel, that gives you a into b is equal to minus root 3. So in next step we can write on b is equal to minus root 3 whole divided by a, which will mark as equation number 2. Now from equation number 1 and 2 we can continue to find out value of a and b. So we'll write on from equation number 1 and equation number 2. Let update equation number 2. Let update answer of b in equation number 1 to get equation in terms of a square. So we get a square minus b ka value is minus root 3 upon a the whole square is equal to 2. So in next step we get a square minus root 3 ka square is 3 upon minus का square plus होता है. So overall answer we get 3 upon a square is equal to 2. So multiply throughout by a square, that gives you a raised to 4 minus 3 is equal to 2a square. So shift everything, all the terms on left hand side gives you a raised to 4 minus 2a square minus 3 is equal to 0. So now splitting the middle term, it's a type of quadratic equation, not exactly quadratic equation. So next step, what we get, a raised to 4 from 3 to number whose subtraction is 2. So we are writing here minus 3a square plus 1a square minus 3 is equal to 0 because two numbers are 3 and 1. So now we take a square common, left with a square minus 3. And in next step we take plus 1 common, left with a square minus 3 is equal to 0. तो जो first bracket में है वही second bracket में है, that we can take common. So we get a square minus 3 multiply by a square plus 1, which is equal to 0. So in next step we can write down a square minus 3 is equal to 0, or a square plus 1 is equal to 0. So in next step we get a square is equal to plus 3, or a square is equal to minus 1. But as we know by the basics, we all know a and b both belongs to real number. So a, here we are writing a belongs to real number. Therefore a cannot, since a square belongs to real number, that is a belongs to real number, therefore a square cannot be equal to minus 1. Therefore we are writing a square will be equal to 3. So next step we can write on a is equal to plus minus root 3. So the first value of a we are having plus root 3 when we substitute in 1. So in 2. So what we get, a is equal to plus root 3. So b का value आपको मिलेगा minus root 3 whole divided by a. But a का value हमने obtain किया है plus root 3. So root 3 and root 3 will cancel. B का first answer we obtained as minus 1. So a plus ib का आंसर मिलेगा आपको root 3 minus 1i. Similarly, when a is equal to minus root 3, so we'll write down a is equal to minus root 3 in b is equal to minus root 3 whole divided by a. जब हम इसमें वापस से a का वैल्यू अपडेट करेंगे, so we are getting minus root 3 whole divided by minus root 3. Overall answer we get as 1. So यहाँ से आपको a plus ib का वैल्यू मिलेगा minus root 3 plus 1i, and this same answer can be written as by taking minus common, root 3 minus 1i. ये कॉमन इसलिए लेते हैं बिकॉज फर्स्ट a प्लस आई बी का आंसर और सेकेंड a प्लस आई बी का आंसर सेम दिखे, सिर्फ बाहर का जो साइन है वो प्लस माइनस हो. आप बोलेंगे कि पहले वाले a प्लस आई बी का आंसर किधर सेम है, तो इफ यू राइट देम इन ब्रैकेट, सो बाहर जो साइन होगा वो होगा प्लस. तो वन टाइम वी आर गेटिंग आंसर एज plus and another time we are getting answer as -1. So this two informations we are writing, ये information हमने लिखा from equation number 2 and this information also we are writing from equation number 2. So now we have answer of a plus ib which is nothing but equal to the square root of r complex number. तो a plus ib का आंसर हमें मिला प्लस माइनस अंडर रूट ऑफ प्लस माइनस in a bracket under root of 3 minus 1i. बट a plus ib का जो ओरिजिनल क्वेश्चन था वो था अंडर रूट ऑफ 2 minus 2 root 3, 2 minus 2 root 3 साथ में i, and its answer we obtained as plus minus root 3 minus 1i which is a square root of given complex number. So this is one of the important topic for solving those quadratic equation whose roots are complex. So next lecture we'll discuss with those quadratic equation जो हमने 10th में नहीं सॉल्व किए थे क्योंकि रूट्स रियल नहीं होते थे. So ये कॉन्सेप्ट का हेल्प लेके that will discuss. Thank you.